Hi guys, my name is Tristan. A little bit of background information on me. I'm a special education major. I'm currently in my third year of the program. I was previously a SPED teaching assistant for 2 years. I was born and raised in Anchorage, Alaska, and I currently live here with my boyfriend and our dog. I work as a barista at a local coffee shop, and I nanny on the side. Some hobbies. I have a really athletic and energetic dog. And luckily I like to be outdoors, so I enjoy taking him on hikes, walking him, biking with him, any of that stuff. I also really enjoy skiing. I go to Alyeska a lot, and I also love to explore new places and people. My last picture on here is me and my boyfriend in Mexico. We just went there 2 weeks ago, and it was super cool. My math background, I took math, obviously, elementary school, middle school, high school, and I've never really been super into math. It always takes me a little extra time to understand. However, I do enjoy algebra, and I love the excitement of finding a solution. I think it's super important to love math, and I really wish I did. I don't remember, obviously, there was a point where I just became uninterested in math early on. And I really want my students to love math. I believe that math is the foundation to all learning, and once you get the hang of it, it can be incredibly rewarding. I truly believe, however, that a teacher can make or break your experience learning math. The importance of elementary math. As I said before, I believe that my love for math was taken away very early. And so it starts really young in the way you're taught the math. And I think that I had a teacher in third grade that wasn't very accommodating to my needs as far as how I learned and the way I learned. She just generally taught, and I think that it made it really hard for me. So I believe allowing all students to express the way that they learn best and accommodating to them will really be something that I'll take into my classroom and hopefully make math a really fun and enjoyable experience for everybody. But I'm super excited to be in this class, and I can't wait to continue to learn more.